Alrighty. One of the reasons I like going to those car shows and cruises is picking up their little refrigerator magnets. I didn't get any this year because we didn't make it down to the little booth that might have been selling them. This is one from back when I was in Oregon. It's a nice magnet. I think I got this one as one of their leftovers, but I should show you the magnets I do have as a collection. That's a hobby as well. If you like going to car shows, let me know in the comments, and that's a hobby as well. That's one of the reasons I started this channel, was to show hobbies and talk about hobbies and things of that nature. So if you collect the magnets from car shows, there you go. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.